Welcome back to the channel, you guys. So I am going to show you how I created this lovely bling napkin ring. Very self-explanatory. You would need some napkin rings. You would need some bling already pre-cut. You would need some of these gems as well, and some of these beads, as well as hot glue, or you can also use E6000. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with this DIY. So first thing first, I've already cut out everything. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just trimming off the excess little hairs on there that just drives me insane. And I'm going to find the seam on the napkin ring. There's a seam right here, and that is where I'm going to begin. I am going to use that line of demarcation so that I will know exactly where to place my bling. So that is what we are going to do. I placed a little bit on here, and then I'm just going to press down the wrap right on top of the glue. Give it a press for about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and release it. And then I'm going to just continue to wrap that every so often around here. You want it to be as secure as possible. So now I'm going to start. I'm going to put it on the back of the wrap, and then I will just give it a press, just like so. This very simple, you guys, very simple and easy to recreate. These also make lovely gifts. Mother's Day is coming up, you guys. These would be a lovely Mother's Day DIY gift for your mom or mother-in-law, or just a friend who is a mom. If you want to gift them something that is inexpensive but looks like it costs you know, quite a bit, but is very thoughtful as well, then I would suggest you making these lovely napkin rings for the glam lover in your life, whether it be your mom, sister, sister-in-law, auntie, or grandmother, friend, you know, whoever, or your mom, it doesn't matter, teacher. I think that they would love these and can appreciate them. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue to, and I'm just going to double up. So if you want to, you can double up like I am doing. And I'm just going to wrap it, continuously wrap it. And you want to stay as close to the inside. So now you have right here where you're about to overlap. I only want to overlap it once, so I'm going to cut one strip row off, like so, and then I'm going to give it a little glue and a little glue on the edge, and we're just going to go ahead and wrap it. Okay, so we wrap it just like that. All right, so our napkin ring can be given just like this. This is super cute, you guys. You can just give it like this if you choose to. It's up to you guys. However, I want to embellish it much more. So the next step we're going to take is we're going to take our little ball, our strip of bead, and we're going to start right by where that embellishment is, and we're going to figure out how much we need of an opening. So you can also just have just this on here, just like that, if you guys choose to, or you can add acrylic gems if you like. So that is what I want to do. So I'm going to figure out which gem I want to use and how to set it on here, and then I am going to just glue it down. Now this is where it gets tricky. You can use your E6000 if you choose to. I'm just going to use the hot glue because it's quicker. And that's just what I'm going to use. So I'll put a dab right there on the area where I want to place my gem. And then I need to just get my gem on there, just like that. If you guys can see that. And then I am just holding it down. So we want to make sure it is secured. So I'm going to add a little bit more glue underneath there. So I want to make sure this baby does not come off. So we're going to give that a chance to dry, and then you have what looks like a ring, napkin ring, and that is super cute, just like this as well, you guys. So you can also stop here if you choose to. However, I want to bling it out some more. So now we'll take our gem and we will go around from the tip here all the way around. And you see this little piece here, this little white piece here. That little piece, I like to try to get as much of it off as possible, just because it drives me insane. So I'm trying to cut all of that off as much as possible. So you want to take a dab of glue. You don't want to get too much because you don't want to overdo it, and then you want to just put your bead down and hold your bead there. You're gonna make sure it's there. And when you have, you want to continue to wrap your bead around here. And I'm gonna do every other bead because you want to make sure that it is secure. So I put a little bead ball here. And we're gonna press it right down like so. And give it a nice little press. And for some reason, this one didn't take either, so we're gonna put a little glue under there, and we're gonna give it a press too. Okay, you guys. So that will leave us at this gorgeous napkin ring. don't know if you guys can see it really well, but it is super cute. Let's see if we can give you a background for it so you can kind of see how it looks. It's cute, you guys. So that is what we would do for the rest.